slide them one by one.
Then they're gonna be too far for my fat ass to get up there and get them out. You keep this dash lathered, it won't crack.
Alright, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are back on to the videos. We are at the HQ right now, and the HQ is a little moldy. The mold problem has not been addressed because the dehumidifier has just been sitting in the corner over there. So anyways, what we're doing, we have the Dodge. We have the daily driver Cummins part. What part is this? What? I don't know what part this is. 4, 5? I don't know. We did the daily driver Cummins videos a while back. I honestly don't know why they dropped off, but we're back. So the truck has a little bit of problems. There's actually a lot of problems. That being one of the problems.
Oh shit, something in there.
Is it alive?
No, dead.
It tries to eat the air filter. Rockers and cab corners, gone. Transmission leaks like a sieve. Power steering pump, completely blown out. Zero power steering. Other than that though, I think it's okay.
Oh yeah, that's a beaut.
It's a penetrative lubricant. Making it worse. Oh, this is black. I should get the non-black.
I'll wipe it off. Don't worry. Wow.
It stinks. Now the whole place stinks.
No, it's stinking. You eat it.
All right, guys. So what we're doing is we're gonna start with getting this thing drivable. So this truck it needs to be drivable because right now it's not drivable because the power steering pump's out and it's not drivable like that. Step one, part one of the new series, getting it drivable, and that is fixing the power steering.
And whatever else comes with trying to fix the power steering.
Right. If we run into something on the way, we're gonna get to that. Like I immediately see a sway bar end link that's floating.
They ain't floating, it's pivoted.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Oh, bud. Take her easy. Oh, yeah, that looks good.
Dude, it ain't even
That looks good.
I thought it was.
We could buff that out.
I thought it was rust under there. But they put it on with a drywall screw, so now there's a hole.
We'll trim these bad boys to cover just the inside. Or we could tape it off and spray it.
Wow, it's not really even rust. I thought it was. You know how they do that? They buy the
these to cover up the holes.
When it's all holes, they just put those on there and they're like, oh, good, done, sell it.
Quacks.
Well, it's pretty bad right there. All right, so I'm hoping that the problem was the actual power steering pump, but I mean, this thing's hammered dirty. Like, that thing is toast. What if we do all this work and it wasn't even the power steering pump? I don't know what's on the table here.
Any of you Terminex mold guys, let us know.
Terminex is bugs.
They do mold too, don't they?
They do mold. Terminex mold guys. Oh, I heard it hit something hit the ground.
Just like that.
Sizzling.
It's gonna catch that on fire.
Did it go in the bucket?
No, it's sitting there on all the paper, the top paper towels.
That's coolant.
Coolant ain't flammable?
I don't know what that little wire is. We gotta clean up the wires in here anyway. I hope we have the belt in, right? We don't have any coolant.
No coolant.
We have orange coolant, but there's green coolant in here. Think we can just mix it?
No.
All right, she's running. We got her on, but we're getting a little body roll on the wheel. There's a little play, and we can see it. Go ahead. Steering wheel cover, brother. Ow. So the steering wheel on this truck, it's like sticky. I don't know why do steering wheels get sticky? It's just weird. So we got an old leather cover, so that's done.
Oh, and real quick, a little trick that'll save you if you're doing a power steering pump on anything. Your pulley alignment has to be align with the other pulleys, obviously. So what I did was I measured off of the back side of the pump, on the old pump. You know, you got a roller, you get something fixed where you get a good measurement on. And I got a measurement off of the back mounting part to the edge of the pulley. And you know, you set it there on the new pump and that'll get you close. Put it in the truck, put the new pump in the truck, then take the straight edge off the other pulleys. I mean, anyone who's done that obviously knows that, I'm just saying. Using this starting point got us like super close. We only had to pull the pump out one more time just to adjust it in a little bit more. And then for, you know, pulley installation, Harbor Freight, super easy, cheap little pulley remover and installer set. It was like 20 bucks or something. And part numbers here for what we use parts wise. That is the pulley, part number for the pump.
Or the new tire kick pump did. We changed the oil. Oil was smoke. Fuel filter. You got to check out the fuel filter. I don't know when this fuel filter was changed last, but oh my god, it was like straight plugged. That was our hard start problem. So the truck had a very bad hard start issue. Like it would just crank for literally 10 minutes. The battery would be smoking, there'd be sparks flying. You have to use a little starting fluid to help it, you know, to get going. Change the fuel filter and boom, problem's fixed. Which I'm glad because I didn't feel like doing a lift pump right now. So yeah, old Dodge is running. It is functionable, but the track bar bushing is bad. Oh, you really got it in there. Now what are you doing? Did you put the cap on the power steering pump?
Not the power steering pump, I did the coolant.
I was wondering what
That's for.
probably put that on. Whoa. Whoa. It's ready. It feels great. Power steering's back.
It's nice. I don't think it has any guts, but that's fixable.
Guys, we're gonna make like a dedicated fluid film video, like a funny one, like third gen, like Cummins owners when they discover fluid film and they just douse it all.
They do that.
Douse it. Look at our fleet here. Blue truck still looking stock. Well, it is stock. It's not looking stock. It's actually stock. Black truck just filthy dirty. We got to address that like quick soon. Dodge, dude. Dodge.
Dude, you can't forget about Merle.
Merle.
Right here. We need to get Merle.
We should probably start Merle.
We should probably
honestly,
definitely. I'll drive Merle home.
Recently the brakes like went out. Like there's no brakes.
I can't drive Merle home with no brakes.
I don't know what happened. There's no brake fluid. The lines aren't rusty. I don't know what happened. The brakes are definitely out in rusty red. The Chevy, gone.
I'll tell you what,
like it like popped.
But you can't film with this. My arm's tired holding this.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
That's full filled black. And we didn't wash anything. We just went right over the dirt. Probably should have washed it.
Oh my God, does it smell good?
I know. Hyper dressing. Is that the hyper dressing?
Yeah, right there.
Oh yeah. Not sponsored. Why is the steering wheel facing that way and we're going straight? We'll fix that though.
I don't know if this baby's safe yet.
Yeah, no, it's safe.
She looks. Why is it blinking like that?
What? Why is it blinking like that? So
typically,
fast?
yeah, typically it means that something's out.
There might be a taillighter out or something. I would daily drive this truck. Drive it.
We're gonna fix the rest of it once we figure it all out. You know what I mean?
We gotta change over that brake controller down there. I don't think it works. It's old.
It worked.
The wiring was thinking, oh.
Oh, that's that kid. He thinks he's hot shit.
Does he? All right. What do you think of the rig here?
It's about a solid 5.5 out of 8.
That's not bad. Out of 8?
I mean, yeah. I mean, I got it out of 8.
Okay.
No, because I mean, I don't want to give it too low. Out of 8.
5.5 out of 8.
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
Name one bite everyone knows the rule.
All right, pal. Here's your new truck. Work rig 101. Daily driver Cummins back on the road.
I'll tell you what, though. It needs a little clean skin on it.
On the key.
Yeah, it needs a little bit. Now.
That's the thing that stays with the key. You got to leave out on there. This was a horse hauler, race horse hauler from the Meadows.
To give it more horsepower.
Gives it more horsepower. You got to keep the horse. That's a beer opener.
Oh, yeah.
All right, work rig. Daily driver. JB's driving the Cummins. This is his daily rig right now. The modern diesel work truck, shop truck, whatever you want to call it. In service. He's going to polish it up. Next on the list, daily driver Cummins Part 5. Track bar fix.
I could drink
Polish
this.
something up. McGuire's, did you hear that? JB could drink the hyper dressing.
I mean, once, like you get the smell of dog food and you're like, wow, that smells good.
Dog food smells
It's like
good.
the canned dog food. Alpo. And you're like, ah, man, that does smell good.
All right, guys, stay tuned. Daily driver Cummins Part 5 coming soon. Probably going to switch it up, do some blue truck stuff or the black truck or Merle. I don't know. We got a weird fleet of vehicles and they all need something. So we have content coming at you real soon. But yeah, let us know what you think of the Daily Driver Cummins series. We're just having fun winging it. That's what we do. But as always, we'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm stuttering. Dude, you just sprayed that in my coffee.
Now you're going to taste it.